Hey, welcome back everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. In the last video, we discussed what is freelancing and how you can start freelancing. So, since I posted that video, I have been getting lots of questions. Which one is better, Upwork or Fiverr? So, today in this video, we are going to talk a bit about those things and I will tell you which one is better if you are a newbie or if you are a professional. So keep watching this video till the end. Basically, there is a bunch of freelancing marketplaces, but these two websites are doing pretty good in the market and they have a specific target client. So if you are a professional, then I will suggest you then you should work on both the platform because on the Fiverr you will get the short-term clients, mostly short-term clients, and in the 90% of the cases on the Upwork you will get the long-term clients. So you don't have to worry about the job, forget about the job, right? So Fiverr started in 2010, where a freelancer can start the work from minimum of $5 project. So you can earn as low as $5 on the Fiverr. And whereas if we talk about the Upwork, so Upwork was started in 2015 with the merger of Odesk and the Alliance. So if you are a beginner, then you should start from the Fiverr because on Fiverr you could start making money just from very few skills that you have got. Those kind of skills you can learn from any websites like Udemy or free courses on the YouTube. Like you can have a course for the video editing, animation, those kind of skills, basic skills that you can learn from these websites and start implementing those things on the Fiverr. Once you become intermediate, then you should go for the Upwork, right? Because on the Upwork you would require expertise or the intermediate level of skills to work in a project, because over there you will get the long-term clients and those clients will pay you much better than Fiverr, because on Fiverr you will get as low as $5, but most of the time you will sell the skills at around $50 for a project of, say for example, building a chatbot. So those kind of things you can get on Fiverr, but on Upwork you have to build a long relationship with your client so that your client always gets the best out of you. The main thing that differentiates these platforms from each other is on the Fiverr you have to list your services and the client will come offer you the project at the cost that you have decided for the task. Like if you are selling the service for building a chatbot and you said that you are going to do it at $80, then client will come to you and he will ask, so please get this done by next week, right? On the Upwork it's totally a different concept. It's more like bidding. So on the Upwork, client will come, he will post a job and it will have some description about the job. Say for example, he wanted to get the chatbot built, but with more advanced features. So he will say, I will pay $500 for this task, and he will post this job, and freelancers will have a dashboard on their profiles and they can bid on that project. And few of the freelancers will say, why you are paying $500 if it could be done at $200, right? And some will say they will charge $300, some will charge $400, or even you will see that few will say they will charge $600, $700, even more than the budget of the client. And of course there will be some who will say that it can be built at $50 or $40, right, without reading the description. But in this case you have more flexibility about the task, you know much better than what the client's expectations are, and in the terms of the protection of the payment, both platforms are really good. Like both platforms take the payment in the advance from the client, they will charge client before when you start the work. Even if the client declines to pay you, if you have done the work. So in that case they will help you in getting those payments. So on this platform you don't have to worry about the payment. So now here comes the main question, where I can get the clients more easily. Can I get it on Upwork or on Fiverr, where it is easy to get the clients? So from my experience, you will get the clients much easier on Upwork, because you will go and bid on the jobs, and based on your portfolio the client will pick you up. But on the Fiverr it has a lot of competition right now, and the client will come, he will scroll through the marketplaces, and if your portfolio is good enough that it gets the attention of the client, so in that case you will be lucky to get the client much easier on Fiverr. But as soon as you will go through the journey on the Fiverr, you will be getting lots of offers on the Fiverr and then Upwork, because it will be really quick projects on the Fiverr and you will get tons of clients, whereas on Upwork you have to maintain a long-term relation with the client. And definitely the Upwork, it is more like having a part-time job or full-time job, you can say, if you are a full-time freelancer. And I would suggest, if you are in technology field, because I'm much more related to the technology field, so I would suggest that firstly you go and work on your skill set, and then come to the Upwork and sell your skills. Like if you are working in Java, then search for the clients who are offering a job related to the Java on Upwork, and work for them for a year, 2 year, and then move to other platforms. Like I told you in other videos, there are a bunch of freelancing websites like People Per Hour, Guru, freelancer.in, and the Fiverr, and there are lots of many more, and I will tell you about them in detail in some other videos. At last, if you are a client, then I would suggest you that go to the Upwork rather than going to the Fiverr, because on the Upwork you will get more quality work than Fiverr. So to summarize this video, I would suggest that if you are professional, then you should work on both the platforms, Fiverr and Upwork. Of course, you should try other platforms like People Per Hour, Guru.in, Freelancer.in, and many more. And if you are a newbie, then I would suggest that you go with the Fiverr if you are very new to the skills. And if you already have some skills and you are intermediate level, then start from Upwork. At last, please, I'm requesting you guys that you should start freelancing right now, because I don't want you to stuck in those 9 to 5 jobs, because here in the freelancing world you will have much more flexibility, you will earn more, and you will have more family time. The world is changing, change yourself. And if you like this video, no, if you didn't like this video, please let us know in the comments, and please share your feedback. I will be really glad for your feedbacks. Till then, have a good day. Tata, bye bye.